Dude, this thing is a beast. I was not actually expecting this one to be this powerful, but also so convenient. So we have this Shark fan over here. It comes with rubber pads at the bottom, kind of like suction cups-ish, I want to say. And this one won't move once while you put it on a surface. It's an outdoor but indoor desk fan as well, and also outdoors because it's also waterproof, and you can put it outdoors without the cable. So this one right here, it's a charger actually. You can use it, plug it if you want, but if not, this one is going to give you about in between 10 to 12 hours of battery lifetime outside if you want to take it with you camping, hiking, fishing, to the pool. It's quite big, I have to say. It's quite kind of like heavy, but it actually translates into good quality in power. By the way, you can do this with this one, super nice and easy. You won't have any issues. And right here on the top, you're going to find the water reservoir. With this water, you're going to put the water in. You actually going to see the water coming in when you're pouring it, so you will know how much you're going to add. And then it has a silicone O-ring inside, so it's not going to kind of like slip away or something like that. And after every use, I do recommend it to empty the tank. But this thing is say 70 feet reach. I don't know about that, but it may be true just because how powerful this one is. So it has touch buttons over here on top. I'm going to actually put it pointing at me to my microphone so you can hear this one, how much it's going to blow. So it's actually turn it on. It has a kind of like a digital display over there. It has 5 speeds if I'm not wrong in this one. So here's my microphone. It's actually do number 1, number 2, number 3, and this one is like getting kind of like getting serious. Number 4, okay, whoo, and number 5. Yeah, this thing blows. I mean, I can see the 70. Why my cat is here? I can see the 7. Oh my god! I can see the 70 feet reach with this one. It is really powerful. But then check this out. I'm gonna do it right here inside. You're gonna kind of like flip this lid over here, and let's do it. Let's actually turn on the water thingy. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. This one is actually super powerful. Oh my god, super powerful right now. And that is why this one is going wild, because this one is gonna get you wet. But I think it's a good thing if you're outdoors, you know. Probably I wouldn't use it here with so much tech, but I mean, it's just for like demonstration purposes. This one is gonna get you wet. The thing about this one, I'm gonna actually put it down a little bit top a notch. Oh my god, there we go. Nice and easy. Now it's better. This thing is really, really powerful. The thing that is rechargeable, you can take it outside. It has the mist, as you can see over here, and also the water tank. And of course, you can use this one with or without the water if you don't want to. But I do like the water. I think it's actually pretty cool. This thing is really cool. I'm going to be using this one all summer season. 100% recommend it.